Hello everyone, my name is Shikha Singh. I'm a guest faculty at KMC Language University, Lucknow. Today we will discuss about the Victorian age. Victorian literature refers to English literature during the reign of Victoria, 1837 to 1901. English writing from this era reflects the major transformation in most aspects of English life, such as significant scientific, economic, and technological advances to changes in class structures and the role of religion in society. While the Romantic period was a time of abstract expression and inward focus, essayists, poets, and novelists during the Victorian era began to reflect and comment on realities of the day, including criticism of the dangers of factory work, the plight of the lower class, and the treatment of women and children. Prominent examples include poet Elizabeth Barrett Browning and novelist Charles Dickens and Thomas Hardy. The popularity of the poem served to shed light on important social and political issues of the day, while also furthering the cause of feminism, cementing her standing as a successful and renowned female poet in a male dominated world. Dickens employed humor and an approachable tone while addressing social problems such as wealth disparity. Hardy used his novels to question religion and social structures. Charles Dickens is the most famous Victorian novelist. With a focus on strong characterization, became extraordinarily popular in his day and remains one of the most popular and reader authors of the world. His first novel, The Pickwick Papers, his most important works include Oliver Twist, A Christmas Carol, Dombey and Son, David Copperfield, Bleak House, Little Dorrit, A Tale of Two Cities, and Great Expectations. There is a gradual trend in his fiction towards a dark themes which mirrors a tendency in much of writing of the 19th century. William Thackeray was Dickens' great rival in the first half of Queen Victoria reign. With a similar style but a slightly more detached and satirical view of his character, he also tended to depict a more middle class society than Dickens did. He is best known for his novel Vanity Fair, subtitled A Novel Without Hero, which is an example of form of popular Victorian literature, a historical novel in which recent history is depicted. Later in this period, George Eliot published The Mill on the Floss in 1860, and in 1872, her most famous work, Middlemarch. In the later decades of the Victorian era, Thomas Hardy was an important novelist. His works include Under the Greenwood Tree, Far from the Madding Crowd, The Mayor of Casterbridge. We will continue this lecture in another video. Thank you.